Currently, I'm director of the Acquisition and Development Group. That's a research program directorate for supporting DHS's Homeland Security Operational Analysis Center, which is a federally funded research and development center run by the RAND Corporation. Free and open society is one where citizens are allowed to speak openly and not necessarily be punished for that, and have a free and open press tend to be more at risk in today's age, where it's so easy to pass information and receive information from across the globe. You know, the modern age is one that's about exchanging information, challenging information, spreading information on social media and other sources, and the world has grown up and recognized that information is power. Kinetic weapons, things that go boom, are being pushed aside in favor of information weapons. This is a protest where both sides of the streets were attending events that were organized by Russian agents. This entire scene has been orchestrated. This is about as effective as you get in terms of using propaganda. You know, what are the technologies that will protect our privacy and our freedom of expression while at the same time allowing us to sort of get after these nefarious actors and expose them so we can get in front of these operations? There's a long history of engineers and scientists supporting governments and other entities with assessments of what's possible in the world. I'm asking people that are in this hallway to think about these things as you, especially the graduate students here, will be the ones to help solve this problem. You get a pretty modern education when you go to Michigan, and so one of the things that I got is that ability to stand in front of groups of people and argue for what my viewpoint is and what my studies have shown and what I think the technology will lead to. So that's probably one of the more valuable things that I left here with Michigan, is the ability to stand on my 2 feet and say who I was and to be able to express my viewpoint. And I got that from Michigan. Without a doubt, the most memorable part of my graduate studies was my time in the Big House. You know, it's a sense of being part of one tribe, and Michigan is just going to stay in my heart forever for that reason. Being able to be in a higher institution is truly a privilege. There rarely will be a time in your life where you will be around so many people who are similar in age and progress in life. As difficult as academic studies are, there's a certain simplicity to just being able to sit in a classroom and learn from the best and the brightest and just focus in on being a better person and knowing more. It doesn't get any better than that. Go Blue.